what are you doing? Every kid likes this, hey? Oh, Cailan! He's wearing his Halloween PJs from Grandma Diane and Grandpa. And it's September 20th, but he's gonna wear them all the time now until Halloween. Hey, buddy? Oh! Oh! What happened? Oh, did you have a little cough? Are you coming after me? You gonna get me? Oh, where's he gonna go now? That's his shark Halloween costume hanging on the door. Hey buddy, that's your Halloween costume. Uh-oh, you're opening the door. Oh, where to next? Oh yes, back to the door stopper thingy. Okay.